This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming what's already on your system and preparing for updates. You should check installed Visual C++ redistributables and note versions so you know what to refresh. Close all active apps and save work because updates can prompt restarts. Next, open Windows settings and go to Apps or Run Windows Update in Control Panel. Either path triggers Microsoft Update, which detects available Visual C++ updates. Once done, proceed to the actual download and installation steps below. Now you'll download and install the needed packages. Use Windows Update for automatic delivery or search the Microsoft Update catalog for specific Visual C++ versions when you need a particular redistributable. Make sure to download both x86 and x64 installers if your system or apps require them. Run each installer as administrator and follow prompts. Installing the correct runtime fixes missing DLL errors and improves app compatibility. Once the installer, finish by verifying the updates and handling common failures. Open Apps and Features or check the registry to confirm updated Visual C++ versions. This ensures applications will find the correct runtimes. If an installer fails, don't panic. Run System File Checker, sfc/scano, and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix corrupt components, then retry the install. Make sure you created a restore point beforehand so you can roll back if something goes wrong. This one tip saves time during recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.